So in this video, I will show you how you can add table of contents to your website and what is the benefit of adding a table of content. So the table of content looks something like this, and it has been widely used on websites like Wikipedia, and several other websites and bloggers use them. The reason is not just because it adds the functionality for the user to easily scroll through your website and the pages, and also to know what are the headings. That's not the reason. The reason is because it helps the SEO and the search engine boards to easily know the site structure of your website, and also the structure of the post and the articles and the content that is within that post. So that's the benefit of using a table of content. Popular websites like Wikipedia and several other are using this method to boost their SEO and also get the advantage over other websites. But now you can also do that same. Even on our website BloggerSprout, we are using that plugin, and it really helps in two ways. First, in the SEO perspective, and secondly, for you as a reader who can easily know what are the headings in the post, and they can easily scroll through the post just by click of a button. So let's get started on how you can add your own table of content on WordPress site. And wait, just hold on. If you like this video and want more content like this, just hit the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button. So let's get started. Back to the computer screen. Okay, so I'm back to my computer, and this is my website BloggerSprout, and first of all I will show you how the table of content looks like. So this is how the table of content looks like on my website. This is actually an image, but you can literally know what it looks like. And if you come to on my website and the same post, which is the photo one, you can see it's here. So first of all, it gives the user a complete knowledge and a complete, like you can say it's just like a snapshot where the user can easily know what are the things they can expect from this post. And secondly, these are the solutions. So if they have done these 3 or 4 solutions and didn't work, maybe they want to flush their DNS and they want to click here, it will just scroll below, scroll to that section, and you can get to that entire section very easily. But that's not all. As I have said, it has the SEO benefits. And what is the SEO benefit? Actually, if you come to Wikipedia, that's if you search Wikipedia, and in most of the categories you will find that Wikipedia ranks really good. And if you see, I just opened up Wikipedia, I found this music of Sudan, and I just opened it, and here you can see table of content. It's just the same on our website. It's here on our website. I'll show you once again, and here it is. I have just chosen a black theme, and they have chosen a just normal dark white. And here, if I click on any section, I just get scrolled to the blue section, and if here I click on any section, I just get scrolled directly to that section. So basically it's the same thing. So how you can add this table of content on your website? So let's get started. Okay, so here this is a WordPress website which is being installed locally on my computer, and I will show you the exact step that you can do to add the table of content on your website. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to log in to your WordPress admin section, and then navigate to plugins, add new, and click on it. Once you get to this page, you need to come here to the search plugin, and you have to type Lucky WP table of content. Yeah, this is the name. There are several table of content plugin, but I like this one. It's really simple to use and gives me what I want. So, and it's free, so just click on install button. It will take a few seconds to a minute depending on your internet speed and the connection of your hosting. So once it has been installed, you need to click on the activate button, and yes, we have activated successfully the table of content. So where can you find that? You can go to the settings, and just you will find the table of content here. And by default, the normal settings are already done. As you can see, minimal count of heading is 2. So if in a post you have less than 2 heading, this table of content will not work. Second is the depth. It's up to 6, means it's the hierarchical level, means just like listing. If I will show you here, okay, let's scroll up So this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so if there is a child under this, then it will be 3, then 4, then 5. On our WordPress website, we have limited it to 2 to sometimes 3 on depending on the post, but mostly it's up to 2. So it depends on your website and the type of post you write, so you can change it here. Next is the numeration. If you can see it really carefully, then you can see that we don't have a numeric number here, and these numbers are actually defined on our post title. Yes, here. So what we have done is we have turned off the numeric, and here if you come to the table of content by Wikipedia, you can see it has a numeric number like 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7.1, 7.2. So this is the way. So if you want this setting like Wikipedia, you just you choose the decimal number nested or the Roman number nested. Basically the decimal number nested is what the Wikipedia is using. And if you want something settings like our website, which is without the numbers, here it goes, then you need to do is change this to without numeration. Okay, so it depends upon you and your choice. So next is the numeration suffix. It means like what you want to add after the number. Basically it's a bracket or a dot. So if you come to Wikipedia, you can see that they haven't used anything, but you can do the same like none, dot or bracket. If you use the bracket, it will result something like this. So everything is all up to your choice what you want. That next is the header, that is the title, what you want here. The content, this is the title. As you can see, it's contents written here, and this will appear there. And now this is the toggle show and hide. If you want, there will be a button here. This is the button hide and show, so you can easily hide and show this font. And by default it's already written so, and you don't need to change it. And here is the smooth scroll option. So smooth scroll is on our website. If you click here, you can see it's get scrolled below, and it's really smooth. But if you go to like Wikipedia, and if you click on any section, it won't scroll, it will just take you directly to that section here. So if you want to go directly to that section, you can just turn off this, but I prefer like scrolling down there, because the user can really understand, okay, they are being taken to that section, and they can also see like what are the other topics that you have covered on through the way. Okay, although it's first, but it's really good. And this is the scroll offset from top. So depending on your custom theme, sometimes you need to change this value, but most of the time it works pretty well out of the box, so you don't need to. And click on just save changes. Next is the appearance. So by default the appearance is something like the Wikipedia's one, like this. But if you want to change the color and the font or anything else, you can do it really easily from here. You can change the width to auto, to full width, to anything. This is our full width. You can see it's all up to the containers, completely surrounding the container, so it's full width. And if you don't want like the full width, you can go to auto. It will be something dynamic, and it will automatically increase and decrease depending on the length of the header. Second is the float. If you want it to float in a specified position, but we don't want that. Next is you can change the title, the font weight, and the font size. It's totally here. And next, here it comes. By default you already get a color scheme like the light color, dark color. We are using the dark color scheme. And if you want a custom color setting for your WordPress website, and if you use a color scheme on your website, you can change it really here and just click on the save changes, and everything is good to go. The third is the auto insert. So this feature is really great for those who have a lot of posts, tons of posts written, and they don't want to go manually and insert the table of content on each post. So all they can do is just come here, click on this enable button. Now it will ask for the position. Now the position is where you want the table of content to appear. So it says before first heading, after first heading, after first block, paragraph, top and bottom. Basically I use this after first block paragraph, which means that there will be one paragraph here, and after that it will be added. Since we are using manually we are adding this table of content. That's why we are able to control. But if you use that feature, then automatically after one paragraph your table of content would appear. Okay, so that is the position, and this is the post type. So where do you want the table of content to appear? Normally we want it on the post, but if you have a lot of pages also, like the guides pages and or something that you have a great in-depth knowledge or a guide on something, then you can also choose the page option. Just click on save changes. This is the 3 settings that you want to control basically. And after all this, there are like processing headings and other things like always for post and pages. I don't think these are mostly useful, but you can go and play around. It depends upon your need, what you want. So let's go to the post, and here you can see we have a hello world. Okay, let's click on the add new, and I will just copy one of my posts here and I will paste it. Okay, there it goes. Directly copy and paste from my website. I will just delete this because this is the content table. Okay, and I will just come here and I will add it here. And where is this is the icon, table of content. If you are using Gutenberg, don't worry, you just need to click the plus icon here that comes automatically after every paragraph. Click on the table of content and search for click on the plus button and search for table of content. And if you are using the classic editor, here is how you can edit. Just click on it. It will just load, and it will ask you to configure every time, because that allows you to configure. And in Gutenberg it adds first and then allows you to configure. Means it's just the vice versa. In classic editor you need to configure it first. Okay, so I will keep the depth as 6 and click on save. So here you can see the shortcode has been inserted, and I will click on publish. So I have published my article. Let's go and open it up and see how it looks. So this is the post, and we are using just the normal theme that comes by default. And here is the table of content, and you can see as I have chosen the numeric version 1, 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So in this case it has automatically added, and now if I click on it, it will scroll me. Now if I want to change the settings, let's go and change the settings and see how it works. So we will change to without numeration, and the smooth scroll I will turn it off. Let's go and reload this page again. Okay, the page has loaded, and this time the numeration is not there. No numbers are basically like this version. And now if I will click on, let's click on this, the one which is at the very bottom, and we should go directly to that section. Here we are on that section. So this is how you can use table of content on your WordPress website really easily, really simple to use, really very easy to add. And I hope you have learned how to add this on your WordPress website. So if you have got any queries, you can just comment down below. And so I hope you have liked this video. If you really like this video, hit that like button and show your support and love by subscribing to this channel. On BloggerSprout, I just don't talk about WordPress. We talk a lot about everything. And yeah, I also have a free course on how to start a blog, and we talk about like WordPress, affiliate marketing, SEO, passive income, and all the things that you can do and start with your own blog. So I hope you have liked this video. Just hit that like button to recommend this video to all the other WordPress users who would like to add table of content on their website and help them boost their website conversions also. So subscribe to this channel if you are new and you would like to receive regular contents about WordPress, blogging, SEO, affiliate marketing, passive income, and a lot more. So I'm Neeraj Krishnan and I'm signing off. Peace.